Okay, so we have set our other posts up to our corner posts, and you can notice I've rotated the display here to show the next post we set would be our starter post. And this 2x is just to represent the wall of the home is all it's here for. So this is our starter post that we would use, and it says starter post on top. So two things, we want to keep our alignment of our cable holes here is real important, so we want to measure that over. The other important thing is the dimension from here to here. This shouldn't be over about 3.5. Code says you can go up to 4 inches, but I like to see like 3.5 is normally what I set them at. So I measure that out, make sure I got 3.5 there. Once I do that, then I go ahead and set my post there. Want to measure over that blue line to that center line again, which is 3.25 there. So we want to get our 3.25 here, so all of our cables line up nice and neat. Okay. Double check that I'm doing the right thing. Yep. Okay. Got that where it needs to be. So I'll go ahead and put one screw in. Just to temporarily anchor it there. Okay. Then I want to go ahead and make sure we're square with our deck again. Do that. We're square. And then we're ready to go ahead and put the rest of the screws in and go ahead and plumb the post up.